How to get the Claude student plan for education. This tutorial shows you how to find and apply for Claude's education programs. First, open your browser on your device. From there, type Claude Student Plan or Claude Education Plan into the search bar and hit Enter. After that, look for the official Anthropic education page from the results and tap on it. At this point, you'll land on a page where you can apply for either the Claude Campus Ambassador Program or the Claude Student Builder Program, depending on which one is available in your region. Following this, tap on whichever program is currently open and fill out the application form with your details. After that, submit the form and wait for a response to be sent to your email. Once approved, you'll get access to Claude AI through the student plan. Finally, keep in mind that depending on your region, some of these programs may currently be closed. In my case, both applications are closed at the moment, but it's worth checking back regularly as new application windows open up from time to time. That's how you apply for the Claude student plan. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.